If you are concerned about low milk supply, a manual breast pump can help stimulate production naturally. Milk production works on supply and demand. The more milk removed, the more your body produces. After breastfeeding your baby, pump both breasts one at a time. Pump for about 10 minutes per side. You can also try a simple stimulation method: pump for 10 minutes, rest for 5 minutes, and pump again. This repeated stimulation encourages your body to produce more milk. Stay hydrated and eat balanced meals. Stress can affect milk flow, so try to relax during pumping. Gentle breast massage can increase output. Remember, it may take several days to see results. Be consistent and patient. If you continue to struggle with supply, consult a lactation consultant or healthcare provider. Your body is designed to nourish your baby.